The Laṅkāvatāra Sūtra, Chapter 2, Part 18. Furthermore, Mahāmati, Shravakas who are afraid of the suffering that comes from their projection of samsara seek nirvana unaware that the difference between samsara and nirvana, as well as their projection of everything else, does not exist. They conceive of nirvana as the cessation of all future sensory realms, not the transformation of repository consciousness through the personal realization of Buddha knowledge. Thus, ignorant people speak of three paths, and not of the projection-free realm that is nothing but mind. Mahāmati, they therefore do not know the realm of the mind perceived by Tathagatas of the past, the present, and the future. Instead, they are attached to the perception of a realm outside the mind, and keep turning the wheel of samsara.